So guys, this is our Telegram channel and the link for the same has been shared in the link tree which is mentioned below. Now, just see, yesterday only we had updated our learners that we are planning to short Nifty at day low. Can you see over here? This level was marked and we were looking for a shorting opportunity over there. Further, even during the market hours, I kept on giving a commentary that focus more on Nifty. Nifty is the one which is likely to give us more profits. Now, all of this was discussed live. Further, we also discussed how you can trail your profits using the 15 EMA. Now, this knowledge, you're all getting it live in the market. So make sure you join us in the community on Telegram as well. So we are trying our best to give you maximum knowledge. Now, let us do one thing. Let us first go to Bank Nifty. Even though Nifty was very superb today as per the structure, लेकिन मेरी आदत है Bank Nifty से, so I cannot leave that. So first we'll discuss Bank Nifty and then the stocks that we had discussed yesterday as well. So guys, this is the chart of Bank Nifty on a 5 minutes time frame. As you can see, this was the previous day low. Today the market initially took support at the previous day low twice, thrice, and as soon as the previous day low and the current day low was taken out, we saw a very strong momentum. And as I keep discussing that if you are a momentum trader and if you want to stay in a trade in a trending market, you can actually use EMA and enter every time the market retraces to the EMA, right? So this was a perfect day, and all of this was also updated live on the Telegram channel. You see, the market never came back above the EMA, and this is the power of EMA in a trending market, right? So if you're a trend trader and if you don't know how to trail your SL, you can use this method, or another method which is very popular is using the nearest swing, right? So you can use the nearest swing method as well. Both of them filters out the trade in a similar way. So it's completely up to you. I prefer the EMA method of trading the market. So this was on Bank Nifty. I hope you have got this setup. It's very simple. Whenever a particular low is tested multiple times, it becomes weak, and then you want to short it for bigger targets. So I hope this is pretty much clear. Now let's go forward and discuss the stocks that we are supposed to be trading tomorrow. So hi everybody, this is the chart of Rain Industries on a daily time frame. Now with this chart, I'm also going to explain a very simple concept of Fibonacci retracement. Remember one thing, that the markets are not going to go down like this. They're always going to go down, retrace a bit, and then continue its downside momentum. And if you're a trend trader, remember one thing, you need to know until what levels the market can retrace. Clear? And for that, we are going to use Fibonacci retracement, by which we mark the swing high and swing low, and we get the probable levels from where the market can continue its downside momentum. And if you see, it is taking resistance at the golden ratio of Fibonacci retracement. Now let's go to 15 minutes time frame and understand the price action. Clearly, if you see over here, it is pretty much clear that the low was tested so many times, and now we can look for a shorting opportunity below this swing, which is 225, and this 228 is going to be our stop loss. So I hope this is clear. And when it comes to the target, I think we can get pretty much good targets over here, which is close to 214. So this trade can work out well for your short-term trading as well. Now, this was my understanding on Rain Industries. Let's move to another stock. So guys, the another stock on my radar is Hind Petroleum. If you look at Hind Petroleum, it was actually trading at this level, right, which was its support, because from here it made a new high. Correct. Now this level is likely to act as a support. Let's go on a 15 minutes time frame to see how the market is reacting at these levels. So if you see over here, it gave a strong momentum from the demand zone, and if you zoom in, what do we see? We look at the good volume building up. Further, this good consolidation is a good sign that we may see further up movement in this. So this can be your entry trigger, which is 285.70. Let's make it 286, and this will be our nearest stop loss. So this is my understanding on Hind Petroleum. Let's go to Bharat Forge. So guys, another stock on my radar is Ambuja Cements. Now again, a very interesting structure. If you see, this was a support from which the market made a new swing high, and then it took support exactly at this point. If you remember, last time in our video, we were discussing about this stock, and now if you look at the market again, it is given a breakout and consolidating in this range. And now we are going to go to 15 minutes time frame to identify our levels of entry triggers. Now this will look very simple to you. Can you see over here? This is the level which was tested once, twice, thrice, 4 times. Above this level, we want to go long with this as the stop loss. So I hope now with each day you are understanding, you are you are on a sync with us, and it is becoming easier for you to pick stocks on your own as well. Now this is our long term target, right? That both of us, all of us, are on the same page when it comes to looking at the markets. Right now I know it's very difficult for everyone in the room to have a look at the look at the trades in the similar way, but that is going to be the purpose for us, right? Because if we are learning something, let's make it a system. Let that not be very, very discretionary, right? So let us make a system out of what we are learning. Now after that, we've discussed all the stocks, we have had a discussion on Bank Nifty. Let's go forward and discuss the stocks that we discussed yesterday, that is on Friday, right? So guys, since the markets are bearish, we are going to look at those two stocks which we were talking about on Friday. So the first stock is Cadila Healthcare, right? Now always have a look at the chart on a daily time frame, right? And we use 20 EMA, right, for the purpose of daily time frame charts. Now last time we were discussing that it is taking resistance at the 20 EMA, and we may see a sell off in this stock. Now let's go on a 15 minutes time frame, and if you see the kind of sell off that we have seen in Cadila, it is huge, right? You would have got a very good RR as well because our stop loss was very small, and look at the kind of momentum Cadila has given. Another stock which was on our radar is Piramal Enterprises, right? Again, a stock in which we were looking for short opportunities, short levels triggered, and we saw decent gains in this particular stock as well. Now I hope you're understanding all of it together, right? To connect more with us, make sure that you follow us on Instagram. Secondly, connect with us on Telegram, right? Where we are building a very big community. And on Three Dots, we already have a good community. So I hope you're a part of, the different communities and the perks that you get with all of it. And with that note, thank you so much, guys. As you see, we are becoming consistent with each single day. And what is the trade plan for tomorrow? That will be updated on Instagram, right? I'm talking with regards to Bank Nifty and Nifty. So इसी के साथ एक लंबा वीडियो था आज, मुझे उम्मीद है आपको सीखने बहुत मिला है, एंड इसी के साथ आप सभी को मेरा सादर जय जिनेंद्र. I will see you guys tomorrow again with another end of the day analysis video. Thank you so much, guys, and yes, thank you so much.